Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you think someone else might be logged into your Amazon account, or maybe you signed in on a device you don't use anymore. Signing out of all devices helps secure your account instantly. So this is great after changing your password. In today's mod tutorial, we're gonna talk on how to actually sign out of all devices as I told you, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, go all the way. If you are using an Android or iOS, download the Amazon Shopping app. If you are using a desktop, it's easy. Go through the Amazon.com, tap on this link, then log in using your email address and password. It's time now to go through this section, Accounts and Lists. Tap on Login and Security, then verify your identity. Scroll down to sign out of all devices, then confirm the action. You'll be able to see multiple options here as well, including the memberships and subscriptions, Kindle Unlimited Prime Video channels, as you see, Music Unlimited, Audible memberships, Auto Buy, and all of this information that you may need, including the Request Your Data Manage app, close your Amazon account, protect yourself from scams, and all of these options. You should also change your password first for best security, then re-sign in only on devices you really trust. This also basically signs you out of all Amazon apps. I'm talking about Prime Video and even Kindle if you are using them. And boom, you are signed out everywhere. If this made your account safer, basically, it will. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.